Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have some crafty haul today that I've been collecting, and I also have this happy mail from my friend Helen, and she is Crafty Mama Diaries. Helen is so sweet, and she sent me this things here. This is her card. It's super cute. It says warmest thanks. Thank you so much for this, Helen. And she wrote me a note inside, and even the washi tape that she used is super cute. Thank you so much for your card, Helen. And she also sent me this sequence here, and she knows that I love color yellow, so she sent me this yellow sequence, and it's iridescent sequence. And this is her name here, Crafty Mama Diaries. I'm gonna leave her link in my description box below, so you can check her channel out and sub to her channel. She makes a lot of cards from different companies. I think she is design team for Whimsy Stamps and Jamie Not Too Shabby Shop. So that's this one here. And then she also sent me this Uniball Signo, and I think she knows that I'm having hard time with my Uniball Signo, but I think I know what's wrong. The ones that I have is really old, that's why it doesn't want to work, and it's already dried out. So, and I tried this one, and it works good. So thank you so much for this, Helen. So that's that one. And she also sent me this memory box plush cute cupcake, and they're stitching dies. And she also sent me this knit and tangle cactus stitching die. And the last one that she sent me is this personalized stamp that she ordered online, and it says here, stamped with love, handmade from the heart. She put it in this brown paper bag and then tie it with this jute twine. So she sent me this personalized address stamp. So I already used this on my cards that I sent last time. So thank you so much for this, Helen. I really like this one. So these are all the ones that Helen sent me. I love this card. Thank you so much, Helen, for sending me the happy mail, and I really appreciate it, and I appreciate your friendship. Thank you so much. And I also want to share my crafty haul. So I have some stuff that I got from Amazon, Not Too Shabby Shop, Simon Says Stamp. I even have some stuff from Walmart. So these ones are from Walmart. And I got DMC floss. So I got 3 of the white. And then this one here, like a cream color. And then the green ones, I can't remember if they are, I don't know if they're less than a dollar each. And then I have this pretty color yellow, and then this baby blue, and then this red one, and another white. Oh, I got 4 of this white. And I also got this DMC number 22 round needle, so you get 5 or 6 needles in here. So that's that one from Walmart. I also got some stuff from Hobby Lobby. I got this one here, the Stickles. I love using Stickles on my cards, on my colored images. So this one here is $6.99. And it has stardust, silver, and crystal stickles. So I really like the clear ones. And I haven't tried the silver one yet, so I have to try that one on my cards. So I got those. And I also got this envelopes here, and it has 100 pieces A2 size envelopes. And I think when I got this, it was 50% off. So half this price, I pay half of that price. So it has different colors. It has blue or aqua. I think that's like green, mustard yellow, red, and then dark or pink. So that's that one. I also it's also my first time to try their cardstock, and I got the heavyweight, extra heavyweight cardstock. I think it's the same one, the ones they have in Michael's, but it's my first time to try their cardstock, and it's also 50% off when I got this, so half that price. So I got this one, and this one is the cream color, and it's by the Paper Studio brand. I also got some stuff from Amazon. I got this one here. It's a pack of 30 needle threaders. So it's this one here. That's a lot. So that's that one. I also got this Titan magnetic ball to use for tools or dies, so I don't lose them. So that's this one here. I got that. I also got this embossing folder here. It's a 3D textured impressions. So I really like this, like a sweater embossing folder. So that's this one here. I love this stamp set. I saw it online, and I'm like, I really like this candle here with a candle holder, and it has this Noel. I think the Noel, you can add it in the middle of the candle, and it has the sentiment, it is the season to shine. So that's this one. I also got this penny black stamp set, and this one is the cling stamp set, and it's called Winter Illumination. So it looks like this here. So that's this one. It's a good size for cards, A2 size cards. So that's that one. I also got this Art Impressions Gingerbread Cubbies, and this one has dies included, and it looks like this on the back. So that's this one. And then the last one that I got from Amazon is this Art Impressions Love Birds. So that's this one. The illustrations, so cute. I love these birds right here. And it looks like this on the back. And you get a few of the sentiments. You can use this for Valentine's Day cards, for anniversary cards, and you can do a lot of things with this stamp set. So that's that one. I also got some stuff from Jamie's shop. I only got 3 things from her shop, and this is her information here. It's not too shabbyshop.com. I'm sure you already know her shop. She's amazing. So that's that one. I got this Sunny Studio Victorian Christmas. I also got the Doodlebug Lots of Love. This is new release for Valentine's Day, and this one is the odds and ends, and it has 136 die cut pieces. So those are the ones that you get from the pack. And I also got this 6x6 paper pad. All the papers or the pattern papers are so cute. Oh, I love this ones here. So these are the ones that I got from Jamie's shop. I also got some stuff from Simon System, and this is the $5 off coupon, and you can use this code here. So that's that one. I got this, I don't know how to pronounce that, Katzelkraft. I don't know, but this one is the Christmas dog. It's this dog, sweet dog here, holding a red envelope or letter. And I was trying to get this last time to make Christmas card for my friend because they have a dachshund dog, but it's always out of stock. So I'll just have to make her a card next Christmas using this stamp here. And this is a rubber stamp, so I got this one. I also got, this was on sale, the Picket Fence Studios, and this one is a paper hug for you sentiment. I got 2 of those. I also got this one here. This one is the Craft Consortium paper, Noel, and this paper is really pretty. I really love this one. So it has these images on the back that you can cut out. You get 4 sheets of each design. This one here. This side feels like it has clear emboss. And this one here has shimmer on the paper. So that's really pretty. This one here is also pretty. These birds. And Sathia. More birds. This was also out of stock last time, and then I saw that they have it again, so I added in my cart. And then the last one is this, and on this side it has the images that you can cut out as well. So that's this one here. I also got this from Simon System, and it's the die set for this stamp set here, penny black. They have it on Simon System, so I got it there. So that's that one. And then the last one that I got from Simon System is this Happy Mail stamp set, and this one is the 6x8 stamp set. See this one here from that paper pad. I really like that one. So really cute. I think this is collaboration with Doodlebug. So that's this one. And this one is called Happy Mail. And then the last one that I got is from Paper Tree Ink. I got this cardstock here, and it has 74 sheets of paper, 8.5 by 11, and you get 2 sheets each of 37 colors. That's a lot. I really like the quality of this paper. That's why I always get a pack of this every time I order from Paper Tree Ink. So that's this one. And I also got some stitching dies. This one is the there's no name. I think this is just accessories for the other stitching dies that I have. So that's this one here. And then this one is an ornament stitching die. That's that one. And then the last one that I got is this gingerbread stitching dies. So it looks like this. It's big. So that's that one. I'm gonna add this to my stitching dies collection. And I also want to share the felt ornaments that I made last time. So I made this using the Paper Tree Ink Star stitching die set. I used felt from Binzi Design. So I got this felt before, and I just now using them. So that's this one here. I already put it in the plastic sleeve so they don't get dirty. And I also made this here, this cute gingerbread felt ornament, and I put heart on the back here. So that's that one. And I also made a girl gingerbread. I gave her a pink rosy cheeks. I forgot to sew the twine inside, so I just glued it on the back and then added this part so it will hide the glue. So that's that one. And that's all that I want to share today. I want to say hello to all my new and old subscribers, and to all of you that's always watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I also want to say a special thank you to those of you that have been purchasing from my affiliate links. It really helps my channel more than you know. Helen, thank you so much for the super sweet happy mail. I really appreciate it. And I think that's it. And I hope you enjoy my whole video and my happy mail share. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.